Well, I believe that since the fountains are open to public, that the kids should be allowed to play in them. Because I remember when I was a child, and those things were much more relaxed, those types of laws and rules. And I remember good times always playing, in the fountains, having fun. And I believe as long as they're properly supervised by their parents, who are the ultimate responsible ones of the children, that it should be perfectly acceptable.
I mean, I can understand what they're talking about the sharp metal stuff and kids playing, falling down and everything. I think they designed it badly from the get-go. They should have had all that stuff. I mean, if you're going to design it where they can get into, they should have known that the kids would. And they should have designed the pipes and everything under the concrete, so it wouldn't have been a problem. As far as what they should do now, either put the pipes underneath. That'd be pretty hard for them to do with concrete and everything. I'm not an engineer or anything, but like I said, either fix it so where it is safe, or put up like some bars or something where they can't get into them.
So, what do you think the city should do with the fountain?
Cut them on and let the children play. I think that's the best use for them.
Well, I think it's actually would be pretty good for kids to be able to play in the fountain. It depends on sort of, I guess, whether there's security out there and also sort of safety issues for the city. Certainly, sort of, you don't want it to cost the city too much money, but on the other hand, it'd be a shame to waste that fountain.
The fountain was great, that the kids could play in and run through and that type of thing.
So do you think it's kind of fine the way it is and no signs or extra money put into it needed?
Well, I thought so, but then that depends on what everybody's going to do about it. Well, I don't want to really go into lawsuits and that kind of thing, but if somebody would get hurt, that may be what would happen. And like 50 years ago, people didn't do that.